Hi guys, welcome. It's your girl Juliana Empire Official, and today I'll be making cabbage and saltfish, and I'm gonna do the veggie chunk and saltfish for my husband because he doesn't eat cabbage. So I already pre-prep everything: the flour, the Irish potato, and the sweet potato. But I already put the sweet potato in the pot because I want it to cook really good. So now I'm just gonna make the dumpling to put inside the pot. The saltfish is on the fire boiling. So I'm just gonna show you guys everything I do. I hope that you guys will definitely enjoy this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload a video. I love me some cornmeal dumpling. So I'm just making my cornmeal dumpling and putting it in the pot. I'm just making them, guys. I don't eat rice. I don't eat meat. My husband don't eat rice. He doesn't eat meat, so you mostly see like boiled food. Your yam, your dumpling, your banana, stuff like that you definitely see on my channel. So this is the last piece. So I already washed the Irish already, so I'm just gonna put them in the pot. So I just cover the pot. So I'm just gonna go ahead, get the cabbage, cut the cabbage off camera. Then I'll show you back because I don't have as much battery space, guys. So this is what I have to do. So guys, this is the position. This is it. That's how it look. I'm just boiling it. The saltfish already picked up. My cabbage already cut, wash cut, put my scallion, my thyme, my garlic. So the next step I will definitely show you guys. Just a minute. So guys, I already put in the scallion, the thyme, the garlic in this pot. So I'm gonna put some of the saltfish. Then, so this is the veggie chunk. So I'm just gonna cover that one. Just gonna cover that one is covered. So next it's the cabbage hot sauce. See how this pretty? Hot one, guys, hot burning. If I burn on my hand, I'm a thing I should say. So what I do, guys, I pre-cut my scallion, pre-cut my tomatoes. I just put them in on the back. and then put them in. So I'm just gonna put a few more on top. Then I will be back, guys. Just a moment. My veggie chunk is coming out really good. So time to look at the cabbage. Peeps, I don't know where they put the pot cover for that pot. But anything me catch, me leave. Alright, now the cabbage pot, I use two different stuff because as I said before, my husband don't eat cabbage. So I don't want to mix the same things. Like the spoon that I use in the veggie chunk with the cabbage, I don't want to use that. So I have this one for the cabbage. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cover it back and let it finish steam out. So if you notice, I have two different containers. This one for the veggie chunk, this one for the cabbage. So I keep them separate at all times. So see you when it's time to share, guys. Because as I said before, I don't have any memory on my phone, so I have to be cutting the video up.